Hello dear students, welcome back with Maths Made Easy by Jasprit Kaur. This is your Jasprit teacher. Today we are going to discuss case study 4. So in this video, we are going to discuss question number 20 from sample paper 2021. This is for both mathematics standard and basic. So here we have case study 4, question number 20. Already we discussed 3 cases, case study 1, 2, 3. That is question number 17, 18 and 19. So link for that I am going to give in description box. You can check that also. So today we are going to discuss question number 20, that is case study 4, which is from your chapter number 14, statistics. So it is about 100-meter race. So a stopwatch was used to find the time that it took a group of students to run 100-meter. So here we have time in seconds, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, then 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. This is your time in seconds. And here are the number of students, that is from between 0 to 20 there are number of students are 8, and 20 to 40 there are 10 students. So these are the class intervals, and here we have number of students. So this number of students, we are going to take this as a frequency. So what we have to do, we have to find, just give look on your questions. Estimate the mean time taken by a student to finish the race. So we have to find the mean. So for that, first of all, we have to find, here time is given seconds. So this interval 0 to 20, some intervals are given, 20 to 40, 40 to 60. So we have to find mean. For that, we have to first find out the class mark. Okay. Let us see how. So here we have time in seconds. This is your class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, like that. So this class interval 0 to 40, 20. So here for that we have to find out first of all mark, class mark. Okay. So class mark is xi. So here is given 0 to 20 class interval, there are 8 students. So in this interval there are 10 students, like that we are given with. So total number of students, that is this all are the frequencies fi. So sigma fi, that is sum of all these frequencies, which is equal to 40 number of students, which is given in your question. So there are 40 students which are okay. So 40 is what? Sum of all these observations, 8, 10, 13, 6 and 3. The sum of all these is 40. So the 40 students are participating in race. So here we have to find the mean of that. See, question is estimate mean time taken by the students to finish the race. So you have to find the mean time, in what time they are going to finish the race. So for that we have to find first xi. So that is a class mark. So class mark xi is what? The mid value of class interval, this mid value. So how we are going to find xi? That is sum of these two limits divided by 2. So that is 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Okay. So this way by applying this formula we are going to find all xi's, that is the midpoint, or we can say the mid of values 20 and 40. 20, 40 is your class interval. So mid value of the class interval, that is sum of lower limit. This is your lower limit, this is upper limit. Sum of these two limits divided by 2. So here is 60, 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 40 plus 60 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Then 60 plus 80, 140 divided by 2 is 70. Okay. So this is 80, 80, 180, 180 divided by 2 is 90. So this is our xi, that is a class mark, mid value of class interval. Okay. So now we are going to find fi xi. So fi xi is what? Product of this fi and xi. We will multiply this and this, fi with xi. So here 8 into 10 is what? 80. And here we have 10 and 30, that is 300. So 13 and 50, 13 5s are 65, then 0, that is 650. You can do by easy. Then 6 7s are 42. Then here we have 420. Okay, 6 into 70, 76 are 420. Okay, and here 9 3s are 27 and 19 3s are is what? 270. Okay, so this is our fi xi. Now we are going to find sum of all these fi xi. Why we are going to find sum of all this? Because we have to find the mean value. Mean time in which they are going to finish the race. So what is the formula for mean? Mean is what? Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Okay, or you can see that summation of fi xi, sum of all fi xi's divided by sigma fi, that is sum of all the frequencies. So this is your formula. For that we have to find fi xi, right? So here we'll add up all these values. We are going to find sigma fi xi. So that is 80. If we'll add all these, here we have 0, 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. So that is 2. So here we have 17, 20. If we'll add all these, 8 plus 5, 13. Then 15, 15 plus 7, 22. So 2 carry, 6 plus 3, 9, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so this is your sigma fi xi, and sigma fi is what? 40. That is given. 40 students are participating. So now we have fi xi, that is 1720 divided by fi, that is 40. So we'll cancel out this with this. 4 4s are 16, 1 12, 4 3s are 12. So here your mean value is, that is 43. So by direct method we find out this mean. Simple method. There are 3 methods for mean. So here we are going to apply. So we applied here simple method, that is direct method. So we find out our mean value is 43. So 43 is the mean time taken by the student to finish the race. Okay. So now come to the second question. What will be the upper limit of model class? Now model class is what? Model class is the class in which the maximum frequency occurs. So here this number of students, these are the frequencies of different class intervals. So the maximum frequency occurs in this interval. So this is your model class. This is your model class. So 40 is your lower limit and 60 is the upper limit. So what is the question? What will be the upper limit of the model class? So upper limit is 60. Okay. Upper limit of this one, 40 is lower and 60 is the upper limit. So your answer will be 60. Upper limit of the model class, where maximum frequency occurs, that is your model class. Okay. Now come to C part. The construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining the mean, median, mode, or all of the above. So for what we are going to construct this cumulative frequency, for what we are constructing this table, cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency table is useful for median. Always when we are going to find median, we need cumulative frequency table. We have to find CF first. For that, for median we need this CF. Okay. So median is your answer. Now, so this also direct, without any reading case study, you can answer this question, right? So now sum of the lower limit of median class and model class. So model class we already find out, that is 40 to 60. So we know the lower limit of model class is what? 40, right? So now we have to find the lower limit of median class. So for that we need CF first. So we'll find out first CF. I'll show you how to find CF. So again we'll make this table. So here time in seconds is given, number of the students are given. So we'll find out CF. CF is cumulative frequency. So first of all we'll write this 8 first. Then what? We'll add up like that. 8 plus 10 is what? 18. Now we'll add these two entries, that is 11 and 31. Okay. Now we'll add these two, that is 37. Now we'll add these two, that is 40. So this sum should be equal to this one. Then your answer is right. If this and this are not matching, then it means somewhere you are getting wrong, right? So this is this and this should be same. So this is your CF. So what we have to find? We have to find a model class. For that, median class. For median class, first of all, we have to find n by 2. Your n by 2 is 40 by 2, that is 20. So 20. So what we'll see? We'll see the frequency which is just above this 20. So that one will be your median class. So here we have n by 2 is what? 20. So just little just more than this 20, which is the nearest above this 20, that is your median class. So this is 8, 18. So which one is more than 20? Little more, that is 31. 31 is more than and nearest to the 20. So this class is your median class, 40 to 60. So 40 to 60, lower limit is what? 40. Right? So lower limit of median class is 40 and that of model class is what? 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. Okay? Your model class limit is what? 40. This median class 40 and model class is what? 40. Because we know that in previous question here we find out upper limit, that is 60, and lower limit is what? 40. So in this also 40 is a lower limit. So 40 plus 40 is what? 80. Right? This is your sum of the lower limits of median class and model class. So here we have to find how many students finish the race within 1 minute. Within 1 minute you have to find how many students are there who finish the race within 1 minute. So this is a time in seconds between 0 to 20. So within 1 minute means up to 60. 60 seconds means 1 minute. Okay, so within 1 minute means up to 60 seconds, how many students are doing race? So how many students are there? We'll add all these three. So 0 to 20 is 8. We have 8 plus 20 to 40 is 10. Then 40 to 60 is what? 13. So we'll add up all these three. That is 31. We'll see whether it is there or no. So 31 is your correct answer. Okay. So 31 students. What is the question? How many students finish the race within 1 minute? So 31 students, they are going to finish the race within 1 minute. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 31. Okay, so 31 is your right answer. So this way it's very easy. This question was very simple. This way you can find your all questions between the case studies. So any 4 you can attempt. Which 4 you know better, that you can attempt. Okay, so I think you understood this today's lecture, which was very simple. In case you feel any doubt, any problem, please share with me. Write your comments in write your any doubts in comment box. So if you like, please share and subscribe my channel. In case any doubt is there, share with me. Okay, thank you so much.